A network switch offers several benefits that enhance the performance, efficiency, and management of a local area network, LAN. Here are the key advantages. 1. Improved performance. Switches send data only to the intended device, minimizing unnecessary data transmission. They also allow simultaneous sending and receiving of data, doubling the effective bandwidth. 2. Enhanced network efficiency. By managing data paths, switches significantly reduce data collisions, leading to smoother data flow. They also create separate collision domains for each connected device, further improving efficiency. 3. Scalability. Additional devices can be added to the network without significant performance degradation. 4. Better network management. Switches support virtual LANs, VLANs, which allow the creation of virtual networks for better organization and security within the same physical network. Managed switches offer advanced features like quality of service, QoS, for prioritizing important traffic, and SNMP for monitoring and managing the network. 5. Power over Ethernet, PoE. PoE switches provide power to devices like IP cameras and phones through the Ethernet cable, simplifying installation and reducing the need for separate power supplies. 6. Security. VLANs can isolate sensitive data traffic, enhancing security. Managed switches can implement security measures to control which devices can connect to the network. 7. Reliability. Switches provide a stable connection for all devices, reducing downtime and improving overall network reliability. In summary, network switches improve the performance, efficiency, scalability, management, security, and reliability of local area networks, making them essential for both small and large networks.
Thanks for watching. Feel free to ask questions in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends.